सो दिस वीडियो इज स्पेशली डेडिकेटेड टू द पीपल हु आर जस्ट लाइक मी, जो बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें करने का सोचते हैं, जिनके जहन में हर वक्त कोई ना कोई प्रोडक्टिव थॉट्स चलती रहती हैं। बट जैसे ही हम उस चीज़ को करने के लिए सोचते हैं, एक प्रैक्टिकल प्रैग्मेटिक स्टेप उठाने के लिए सोचते हैं, तो हमारा दिमाग बहाने बनाना शुरू कर देता है एंड वी आर सेल्व्स वी जस्टिफाई दोज थिंग्स, दोज एक्सक्यूजेस। हम सोचते हज़ारों चीज़ें करने के लिए हैं, बट we always end up making excuses and then later justifying it and then feeling guilty about it. So that's the vicious cycle that never stops. So हमें डीप डाउन सबको पता होता है कि हमने क्या करना है, कब करना है, क्यों करना है, बट somehow हम ऐसा करते हैं कि हम उस चीज़ को डिले करते जाते हैं. Why does that happen? It's just because of our brain. It functions like this. It focuses on comfort, जिसकी वजह से हम प्रोडक्टिव काम नहीं कर पाते, क्योंकि प्रोडक्टिव काम हमेशा दे नीड योर एनर्जी, दे नीड योर टाइम, दे नीड योर कंसिस्टेंसी. सो वी ऑलवेज जस्टिफाई द थिंग्स दैट वी शुड नॉट बी जस्टिफाइंग. और बिलीव मी, ये आजकल मेरे साथ इतना ज़्यादा हो रहा है कि यू कैन नॉट इवन इमेजिन. सो दिस इज़ द थिंग दैट when you start to do something for others, it comes to you as well. So I'm also learning why do I do things which I should not be doing. It feels like कि हमारे अंदर दो इंसान हैं और वो आपस में ही लड़ रहे हैं किसने क्या करना है, और हमेशा डोमिनेंट वो हो जाता है जो कहता है कि कुछ नहीं करना, और फिर बाद में वो जो गिल्ट होता है ना, दैट जस्ट ईट्स यू अलाइव. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. दैट टर्म in psychology is called cognitive dissonance. So let's delve into it. What is it and how does that work and how to stop it? To cut the long story short, our brain, instead of changing our behavior, which is quite difficult, more difficult than creating a false story, it creates a false story and we start to justify it, right? क्योंकि हमें जब कोई चीज़ प्रोडक्टिव करनी होती है, तो it needs something that we have to change our behavior for it. So our brain always goes the easy way and it tells you the story that is not true, and you start to justify it. Instead of changing the behavior, it changes the story. Psychologist Leon Festinger famously said that a man with conviction is hard to change. अगर आप किसी चीज़ के बारे में convinced हो जाते हैं that you are hard to change, so your brain convinces you that you should not be doing this and you will be doing it later sometime in future maybe. So that is how you become convinced that this is not something important and you will be doing it later, and you fall prey to the trap. So let's recall some stories जो हम अपने आप को बार बार बताते रहते हैं, which are totally false. These are: I'll start from tomorrow, I'm not feeling good, I work the best under pressure. This is not just how I work. I demand and I must have the right environment, which does not even exist and which will never be existing for you if you keep doing the same things which you were doing and which you are doing right now, which is nothing. So we know that these are the false stories, and one thing that happens, your brain is built in a way that if you feed it something continuously, it becomes that thing. So if you feed it continuously with these lines that you don't want to do it, you will do it later, or blah blah blah, so it will become that thing and it will make you lazy forever, and you are not going to be able to escape that trap once. एंड वंस द ब्रेन एडजस्ट टू दिस वे, जब आपके दिमाग को इस चीज़ की आदत हो जाए कि अब कुछ भी नहीं करना, तो आप फिर कुछ भी नहीं करेंगे और कभी भी नहीं करेंगे, क्योंकि ये इस तरह से एडजस्ट हो जाएगा कि आपको कभी कुछ करने ही नहीं देगा. आप डिसिप्लिन को अवॉइड करेंगे, आप जो चीज़ें जो आपसे डिमांडेड हैं आप वो करना छोड़ देंगे, और आप उसको हमेशा जस्टिफाई करने की कोशिश करते रहेंगे, हमेशा बहाने ढूंढते रहेंगे, और आप बना भी लेंगे, बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ आवर ब्रेन वर्क्स. बट इससे होगा क्या? सबसे बड़ा नुकसान ये होगा कि दैट यू विल बी forever stuck in the situation which you are stuck in, which is not suitable for you, which you do not deserve. So if you believe that you deserve better, that you deserve all the things which exist in the world, so you have to break this cycle and get yourself freed from it. You must be thinking, enough of the examples. Now we should be jumping towards the conclusion that what are the steps which need to be taken to, get rid of this cycle? So, this is when you want to do something. Let's imagine a scenario that you want to study or you want to do something most productive that is going to get you ahead in life, and you are making some excuses. I'm not feeling well today, let's do it tomorrow. The weather is not good, I cannot go there, blah blah blah. When these are the things popping up in your mind, just know what are the excuses and what are the realities. Once you learn to differentiate between those things, excuses and facts, you become able to escape the vicious cycle. If you are really not feeling good, that is something, a fact. But if that is just an excuse which your brain is making to, you know, to not let you do something productive, so just tell to your brain that that is not how the things are going to work. You better get ready to do something productive that demands time, that demands hard work. Always remember, awareness is the key to break the cycle. Once you become aware what you want, what you need, what you do not want to do, and what you do not need to do, that is what awareness is, and that is which is going to, you know, make you productive, more productive, and make you able to achieve your goals. And that is how you stop making excuses and never try to justify those excuses at all. So next time your brain plays any trick on you, just like this is what I am unable to do that, ask yourself, is it really true? Are you not even able to do the things which are required of you? No one is asking you to, you know, split the moon into two pieces, or, you know, huge things like that. No. So why do you have to do it? Just want to conclude it, but I wanted to add this because the life you desire lives on the other part of these excuses. These excuses are the only things which are stopping you to go on the other side. So just defeat them and achieve your desired goals. So that was pretty much it. And I don't know about you, but I enjoyed it because I needed that a lot. So while teaching you something, I learned myself as well. So bye bye for today. And as always, you can follow me, leave any of your request in my DM on Instagram, follow me on these platforms, subscribe this channel, and we will meet in another video. Till then, take care of yourself a lot, and bye bye.